Guess what, YouTube? Real 74 is fucking back. Like cook crack. I've been gone for a minute. You know what I mean? A lot of shit been going down in my life. But now I'm back. For all my fans, big up. And I got a lot of shout outs. So, if I don't say your name, don't be mad. You know what I'm saying? I finally reached 100 subscribers. I'm at 110. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to shout out all the people who name I say. I'm not, if I don't say your name, don't get mad. Fuck it. Kissy 19, Love Me Jamaica, Cecilia Boo, Dickness, Vintage 27, T-Gals 08, Chip City. Of course, my nigga Deadly X, Lil Cuzzo, Jalots, Pistol Grip 423, Booty 66, China, Apples and Mustard, shit, see, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. It's too many fucking names. But, you know what I mean? Big up to all my subscribers. I'm back now, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Shit. A lot of shit been popping off. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of shit going on right now. I don't know what the fuck happened since I've been gone. But shit crazy. Yeah, but I know y'all probably wondering why the fuck y'all ain't heard from me in so long. Check this shit out. Babylon trying to take my crown, man. You know they can't take my crown. Yeah, I fucked around. They locked my black ass up. But I beat the case. Shit is over with. Now, live from the bottom of the pot where the crack is cooked at. I'm back like cooked crack. Yeah, so y'all will be seeing me. Matter of fact, I'm about to do another video right after this. So, big up to all my fans, all my subscribers. Hit me up on MySpace, whatever. Who else name did I want to say, man? Big up to everybody on Blog TV I fuck with, you know what I mean? And all that. Real. Peace.